I'm not paid by little to make recline for this multi-surface wipes, but it's wonderful, this material. You can clean windows. If you don't want to, or you're too lazy to wash windows another way, then you can use this. Not only to washing windows, no, you can also use it to remove painting. Yeah, you can use it if you're quick, then you just wipe it off just when you've got it on your fingers and it will disappear. And you can also use it for this. I don't know how to say it in English, but you know by yourself. So use it on this also. I will show you how it's looking afterwards. So this is after. It's just fantastic. It's amazing what this wipe is able to do. It helps me a lot.